Hello, I bought myself a new RC car, or in this case it's a truck, and usually when I do an unboxing I want to show off the box and so on, but in this case the box was so badly damaged that I just had to get rid of it and I had to open it to check the content, so it was all okay. So instead of showing off the box, then I'm just gonna show off the car. So this is the WPL D12. It's been out for a couple of years already, and I've had my eyes on it for a very long time. And I finally bit the bullet and actually bought one for myself. So what you get in the box? You get the car. The car has a interior. It's got a dashboard, windshield wipers. It's got 5 wheels and tires. They are exactly the same. They are rubber with a plastic inside. There's not even air in these tires. They are just hard plastic with a rubber like sleeve on them basically, but they're all the same, even this one. And a cool feature of this one is that this is the battery tray. So the battery is in here and you just turn this. There is a mechanism here where it just locks with a little bit of a tab at the back here. So you turn this and the tab locks the battery compartment. And you also get the controller, standard WPL controller as far as I understand. This is my first WPL model, but it's not much to say about it. It's hard plastic. It feels almost satin in texture, so it's quite nice to hold. It's responsive. It's fine. It's a controller, very cheap. You also get a bag of goodies. You get the charger and some stickers, of course, WPL stickers, and some stickers for the truck. You get the battery. It's just a plastic thing that is supposed to be looking like a battery. Sits underneath. I think it's on the other side. You get this one. It's a window protector, I think, just to protect the rear window when you load it up with stuff when you're working, since this is like a work truck. It just sits here. You also get a small screwdriver. It's nothing special. It's just a star screwdriver. It's fine. You get some rear view mirrors and some other small bits and pieces, some plastics for the lights. And that's about it. I have some plans for this truck. I want to modify this quite heavily, change out a few stuff. I'm going to keep the drivetrain as it is, and my plan is to just keep upgrading it, but mostly cosmetic modifications. And I have already ordered stuff, and some of it is on the way here and some of it has already arrived. So one word of warning: if you are going to buy yourself a WPL D12, I think they have remade the ESC on it, because of the fact that I bought this. This is a light kit with 10 lights on it from RBRC, and as you can see here, it's a 4-pin connector, but there are no 4-pin connectors on the ESC. There are only 3. So I don't know if they've changed the ESC or if this is not for this car. It was advertised as only for this car and another WPL of some sort. So I don't know. This is not gonna fit my car, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. So a word of warning: just keep in mind that the apparently new ESC, I guess, because I took this apart since I wanted to check for damage, so I took it apart and it says 2023 on the ESC. It's printed on it. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's a very good looking truck. It's much larger than I thought it was going to be, so it's really nice in that regard. Hard plastic. The drivetrain is just a small motor sitting here. You have plastic axles. There's an upgrade kit where you can get it in metal. Leaf springs. There are no shocks on this one. It's just all mechanical. So it looks nice. It's really nicely designed. So I really like it. And that's it for this one. If you don't see this truck on this channel anymore, the upgrades I had in mind did not work out, or I couldn't get it on camera. But if I actually managed to do what I want to do with this one, then you're gonna see this truck at least a couple more videos. So keep that in mind, and if you want to see more of it. So yeah.